have the Mac apps of June 2012. So in third place is an app. I'm hoping that you guys haven't really heard the unfamiliar traditional stuff that you search on YouTube and you'll always find. Hopefully these apps are unique every single month and something new you keep on finding so you can keep on following this. Also, I'll be doing Android apps as well as iOS, so keep tuned in that. So what size here is an app that basically measures all your folders to help you graph them easily. So here I've measured my hard drive and you can view them. So it tells you with red what's using up the most memory, and then all the way to green which is using the least. As so you can view it in the browser, which I'm doing as so. Pie chart, which is really useful. So 29.7 gig used, and as you can see these are the proportions here. So as you can see the users use the most memory there. As you can see I use 9.77 gig, which I wouldn't say exactly is that much. So it's just a useful app just to see where you're losing your memory and where you haven't used that much memory and where you've wasted it, and it's easy to look at and it's easy just to access. And this app is, you can try it out for free and then you just purchase it with a license. Of course you can find serials if you want, but that's up to you of course. So now in second place for the app of June 2012 is an app called XSlimmer. So with XSlimmer, say if you're running out of memory, it is kind of like a memory frame sofa. Basically, you just click on Genie and it'll gather all your application lists and it'll quickly scan through all of them and see which apps can be stripped down to strip all the memory off. So say here I can cut down on some apps here. As you can see, it just needs some privileges done, and some cannot be slimmed further, which is majority of them. As you can see, lots of them here, but it isn't exactly that much, but still every little helps, as I say. And so far I've already saved about 60 meg, which is, you know, quite decent. 63 meg, but I don't exactly have that much apps, so you know, if you have a lot of apps, it's really useful for slimming them down, and that's called XSlimmer, and you have to purchase that as well with a license, but you can try that out for free also, so you can just slim all your apps and, you know, delete it once you've done all of that. But as you can see, I can save a ton of memory. Well, not exactly a ton, but 205 megabytes already, which is a lot. And I'm sure that if it's your first time, you'll save about half a gig if you have a lot of apps. But that's 208 megabytes and 46 apps. 46 apps is quite a lot actually. I'm not sure if that's an average. So here is the app of the month for the Mac App Store. I don't know if you guys have heard of this before, but it's a really cool app, and it's called AirServer. So with AirServer, you can basically mirror your iOS device to your Mac. You can use it to mirror your iPad screen, your iPhone screen, and you can mirror music onto it. You know, just use AirPlay and it works perfectly fine. For it to work, they both have to be in the same network, and you can just get the new app on the Mac, and you just mirror it and it works instantly. Put the link in the description below. And this app isn't that expensive at all, and as you can see, you can set passwords and stuff on it. Dual mode AirPlay, so you can mirror two things at the same time. The best feature I use it for is mirroring it on an Apple LCD display, so I can play Real Racing 2 on big screen, which is really fun to watch, or just to mirror music onto the Mac just for louder speakers, or just to mirror it for reviews and stuff like that. But warning, you need a fast network for that, or you need a laptop that can cope with the mirroring. So that's the Mac apps of the month. Please like this video. If you want, just do the usual stuff, subscribe and all of that stuff. And this is my first video of the channel, and I hope you like this video. Just leave a comment on what you thought of this video, and I guess I'll be catching you guys later. Peace.